Did you know one of the world's best-known rabbits is the Warner Bros. Cartoon character Bugs Bunny? He can often be seen munching on a carrot, but carrots are not a natural part of a rabbit's diet. And if you give your pet bunny too many, they might get an upset stomach. Rabbits can be found in the wild, but they also make excellent pets. They are burrowers, meaning they live in underground tunnel networks known as warrens. Their whiskers are the same width as their bodies, and they use them to see if they can fit through a hole, preventing them from becoming stuck. Wild rabbits prefer to live in burrowing areas. Meadows, woods, forests, grasslands, deserts, and wetlands are among the habitats where they can be found. They are native to Southwest Europe and Northwest Africa, but have spread to other parts of the world. Rabbits in the wild live in warrens, which are complex underground tunnels or burrows with multiple entrances. They are social animals who live with other rabbits. Because they are hierarchical, one female rabbit will be dominant, and males will form a hierarchy as well. The dominant rabbit has a lot of advantages. They get the best burrows, first dibs on food, and can ask other rabbits to groom them. Rabbits' hind limbs are extremely strong, allowing them to leap great distances. It's debatable how high they can jump, but they can jump over 2 feet, 0.6 meters, and possibly up to 4 feet, or 1.2 meters. Rabbits are hunter-gatherers. When they're out of the burrow, they're always on the lookout for predators like foxes. When they detect a threat, they thump their hind legs to alert others before fleeing to the safety of the burrow. They have the best chance of escaping capture if they can spot predators quickly. As a result, they have excellent hearing, vision, and a strong sense of smell. Let's learn some fun facts about rabbits. Did you know a baby rabbit is called a kit or bunny, and a female is called a doe? A male rabbit is called a buck. Rabbits are very social creatures that live in groups. A rabbit's teeth never stop growing. Instead, they're gradually worn down as the rabbit chews on grass, wildflowers, and vegetables. Rabbits perform an athletic leap known as a binky when they're happy, performing twists and kicks in midair. Rabbits' eyes are on the sides of their head, meaning they can see almost all the way around them. Like cats, rabbits purr when they're content and relaxed. Rabbits' ears are really long. They can grow up to 10 centimeters in length, and they can turn their ears by 180 degrees. Rabbits are very effective baby makers. Mother rabbits are pregnant for between 28 to 31 days, giving birth to up to 14 baby rabbits in a single litter. There are over 45 million rabbits in the UK alone. I hope you enjoyed learning about rabbits today. Thanks for watching. Good luck studying.